download TikTok application on your smartphone, you can either go to your Play Store for your Android or your App Store for your iOS, or you can simply go to any web browser and search for TikTok in the search box. Now, under apps, you'll be able to see the TikTok application displayed. Tap it on, which will open up your Play Store. Now simply tap on the install button and download the application on your device. You can also simply visit your Play Store and search for TikTok in the search box like this. And once you search for the application will be displayed on your screen and you can download the application on your device. Wait until the download is done. After the download is finished, wait for it to install on your device. Once the application is downloaded and installed on your device, you'll be able to see the open button popping out from this page. You can tap on the open button to run the application, or you can also find the application in your app store. Tap the application open and now sign up to a new account if you don't have one, or simply log into an existing account. To be able to log into an existing account, you'll need to go and tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on sign up. Sign up for a TikTok account by using these options displayed on the screen if you don't have an account yet. If you do, you can simply tap the login button at the bottom of the screen. Now, you can either use your phone, email, or your username option, your Facebook account, Google account, Twitter account, and even continue with Instagram in order to sign into your account.